Reached for your trusty Dyson V11, pressed the trigger and got nothing? No powerful suction, no satisfying whir, and that cleaning head? Totally still. If this sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. This sudden silence can be alarming, and it's a known issue for some Dyson V11 users. When the whole machine seems dead, including the cleaning module not spinning, the problem might be deeper than the head itself. What's usually happening? Often, this total lack of function points towards the faulty main vacuum motor. Think of it as the heart of your Dyson. If it's not working, it can't power the suction or send power down to make that cleaning head spin. Ignoring this? Well, you can't really. Your super vacuum is now a high-tech decoration. No suction, no spin means zero cleaning. It's effectively turned into a very sleek and expensive stick. But before you panic, breathe easy. Here at RoboCare, tackling complex Dyson V11 issues like a failed main motor is exactly what we do. Our technicians aren't just generalists, they're trained specifically on Dyson's intricate engineering. We don't just guess, we utilize precise diagnostic procedures to accurately confirm if the faulty main motor is indeed the culprit, ensuring we target the real problem efficiently. Once confirmed, our vacuum repair process involves meticulous disassembly, the careful removal of the faulty unit, and replacement with the genuine parts. We ensure everything is reassembled perfectly to restore that signature Dyson power. Talk is cheap, right? Let's show you the results. And voila! After RoboCare's expert main motor replacement, this Dyson V11 is back with full suction and a spinning head, cleaning like the day it was bought. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
Honestly, the whole experience with RoboCare was fantastic. From the easy booking and convenient courier service to their clear communication and expert vacuum repair, I couldn't be happier.
Got Dyson V11 troubles or issues with any robot or handheld vacuum? Visit our website or give us a call today.